The Human Resource Service Center presents interview questions and answers for credit officer or loan officer. Recording by Eddie Chigozi. Credit officers, also known as loan officers, help people to navigate a financial institution's loan application process. They also help borrowers who have hit hard times to find a payment solution. Credit officer responsibilities include preparing loan applications, evaluating clients' financial information, and calculating risk ratios. To be successful in this role, you should have a good understanding of lending procedures and customer service experience. Ultimately, you will help clients acquire loans in a timely manner while ensuring the company complies with the law. Now, here are some questions you will be asked in a job interview for credit or loan officer position. Question: Our loan officers have to deal with angry customers on some occasions. Can you tell me about how you would handle someone who was angry? Loan officers may have to refuse requests for funding at times. Your personality and professionalism will determine your reactions when these situations occur. The interviewer wants to be sure that you will be professional, courteous, and resolute, all at the same time. By answering this question, the interviewer wants to see if you possess some of the personality traits that might be ideal. This is what the interviewer looks for in your answer: the ability to maintain a firm professional stance, keen communication and negotiation skills, a solid understanding of the rules and regulations regarding loans. Example: I have methods for reducing stress on the job. I know that I can quote the specific rules for loans to clients when necessary. Question: We foster a particular sales culture at this company. Can you tell me how you would go about learning how our unique sales process works? Some companies have their own ways of doing things when it comes to selling or granting loans to potential clients. The recruiter wants to make sure that you are willing to fit in with their current team or approach seamlessly. This question is asked to gauge your adaptability and willingness to work with a driven sales team. What the interviewer looks for in your answer: flexibility when it comes to learning new skills, willingness to be part of a team, strong interpersonal and leadership skills. Example: I will take time to chat with other loan officers about the best practices or standards you use here. I will incorporate these into my methods. Question: There are a lot of rules and regulations you will have to work with at this company. How familiar are you with particular industry laws here? Bank employees, including loan officers, need to understand the sometimes strict nature of guidelines that exist for loans at the local level and beyond. This is a sort of general knowledge question that the recruiter asks to test your background. You should be able to tell the interviewer about most of the basic regulations within the industry and why they matter to the company. What the interviewer looks for in your answer: specific knowledge of the basic rules of loan procedures, understanding of flexibility on some issues, ability to adhere to rules. Here are some example answers. I can give you a complete list of the basic rules. I know when it is appropriate to be both flexible and firm. Question: We offer a wide range of loans to meet different needs here. What is your experience with some of the most common types of loans? Different loans work for different people. Ideally, a new loan officer should be aware of many of the types of loans available, particularly any in which the company specializes. You should be able to explain to the interviewer some of the key differences between many types of loans. The interviewer is looking for more than a surface-level understanding of the industry here to determine your professional suitability. What the interviewer looks for in your answer: broad knowledge of basic loan types available, key strengths or weaknesses of each loan, scenarios involving choices between different loans. An example answer: I have worked primarily with FHA loans in the past, but I have some experience with several others. I will match our clients with what works. Question: I would like to know a bit about your personality and your suitability as a loan officer. Can you tell me your methods of processing requests? While many people can be loan officers, ideal candidates have some personality traits that might make them particularly suited to the job. This question can tell the interviewer not only about your proven methods, but some of the traits that might make you effective in this industry. The interviewer may want to dig down into your relevant abilities and ask you for concrete examples of them. What the interviewer looks for in your answer: clear and courteous communication skills, ability to deal with multiple tasks using consistent, accurate skills, ability to process requests objectively. Here is an example answer: I can deal with the fine points of more than one loan application at the same time. I speak in clear terms. Question: think of a good decision you made and a recent decision that wasn't good. What did you do differently in making these decisions? Your answers should focus on how well you can review relevant facts. Consider various options and select the most appropriate option. Discuss how you factor in variables such as constraints and resources. Here are some of the other areas the recruiter may be interested in cross-examining. How do you explain the loan process to a new client? This question is to test your communication skills. How do you notify a client that their loan application was denied? Your answer to this question will demonstrate your interpersonal abilities. Can you describe the hardest sale you have ever closed? This question is asked to reveal your sales and negotiation skills. How would you ensure a client's information is kept confidential? Here, the interviewer is testing your ability to comply with industry best practices and laws. Can you describe your method for determining the feasibility of granting an applicant a loan? Use this question to highlight your education and training history. Give the Human Resource Service Center an opportunity to rewrite your CV professionally, because when they do, it will guarantee you 2 times more interviews. You already have what it takes to get the job. So now, work with the Human Resource Service Center one-on-one to show that on your CV. They will help you showcase your achievements, your experience and career goals in a professional design, highlighting the keywords and skills that recruiters are looking for. Your new CV will get you more interviews faster because it will be telling the best version of your story. Contact the Human Resource Service Center by phone or WhatsApp. The number is +256 772 481 995, or you can send email to mkonoivan gmail.com.